All right, comrades. Sinama bad good news. Ama bad good news. Athi istrike sethu inkantolo ithasime. Kusho inkantolo. Ithi abazongena ebusuku kumele bangene. Siqale ngalawo ma issues eqala. Kusho ukuthi ke asinankinga ukuthi ade sisestrike ngaphakathi akithi. Akekho umuntu ozothi ke manje usibhalela inoma yini. Sibe la sa demonstrator but inkantolo ke ithi wo sekwanele. Uma ithi wo sekwanele ithi mhla ka9 kuMay kuzobe kulalelwa ke isicelo ngoba la bacelile laba abafowethu ukuthi one iproduction yalimala kanti isicelo sethu sokuthi sibe kwi strike bayibiza ngani le iaward yeCCMA yayisivuna kodwa sanganikezwe iaward nangithola so now ke bathi asibuyele back kuCCMA so apply la section 64 eCCMA uma iCCMA isigranta sizolinda kodwa kuze kube qala ubani umhla ka9 inkantolo la khona eyokhipha the final decision isiphetheke nama case wonke ukuthi why sila isikhona njengamanje because into ebekwe kuyo ayikho into ethi iTharisa i-challenge ini strike ayikho into ebisho njalo ukuthi it was against their will but bona ba challenge nje ukuthi singabi khona inkantolo sefanele ikuhlanganiseke manje ukuthi ke why ukuthi strike singabi khona uma sikhona besimosha bani bebefunani bebenzani niyakhumbula akithi ola lokho besigijima ko CCMA now sisecourt manje icourt ifuna ukwazi wonke ama facts abe on the table ukuthi kwenzakalani so bona ke njengamanje ke yingakho sithi asikusho manje asifuna ukutshenwa yibona ukuthi sesi right sibathene enkantolo sifuna kube yithina eshoyo ukuthi enkantolo ke inkantolo ithi ke asime manje ngestrike akekho vele umuntu ozochargewa ngestrike but abantu ababuyele emsebenzini abangena i-night shift ababuyele entambama abazongena i-night shift yingakho kufanele sihlukane manje ukuze abantu bayiprepare laba abazongena i-night shift nangithola so then ke silinda umhla ka9 ngomhla ka24 sizobe sila futhi kuzokwenziwa ini another case angithi yabo eCCMA kusho ukuthi i-continuity yama case is moving on and very quickly khona into abazama ukusheshe bayiqondise la so besifonelwe ke sonke uadvocate amanye ama comrade akuzwile lokho engikusho besifonelwe uadvocate esinikeza ke i-information ukuthi no asidliwe but inkantolo ifikelwa umuzwa ukuthi asikwazi ukuqhubeka nestrike singazi ingekho into ethi phambi kwayo kufanele sibe kwi-strike ngoba isalela isite lethu ilalela likabani elika Tharisa so okwamanje for the sake ye production asiqhubeke thina sisebenze while i-paperwork baqala nje kusasa bazofaka amaphepha uyabuya nje lo obuyayo uNgcobo isiyethu ukuphutha amaphepha lapha kwa CCMA singena kulo sifuna ke i-ruling ka64 ngoba ubusufakiwe befana ngabe siya kwi-arbitration so sizofuna uruling ka64 esoqhubeka na ngoba sifuna ukuthi lokho esesiqalile basibonile ukuthi we can do it regardless ukuthi bona bebesabise kangakanani izolo kodwa ke at least we set up an example ukuthi uma sithe siyaphuma siyangaphandle siyaphuma namagundane azobe nabo futhi bazobanjwa umthetho ukuthi ayikho into abazoyenza kithi zonke ezayincwadi bebe imbondela lapha azizubasebenzela because ke manje thina senjani sidila nento ye-court. Uma njengamanje we have to say sesiqedile nani bese si-reporta back ukuthi hayi e-court hayi si-right. Abasebenzi manje bayangena ntambama, but okunye-ke ma-comrade siyaqhubeka. Mina ngibonga ukuthi we show them ikhona i-impact esiyenzile izolo nanamuhla siyenzile i-impact yokuthi uma sesithe cha sisuke sithini cha sisafisa uhlonipheke umthetho ngoba sifuna ube ngakithi. Uyayizwa lo mfana uhloniphe ngoba sisafuna umthetho ube ngakithi up until sizefike la isiya khona ngoba uma singawuhloniphi umthetho they will use all forces ukuthi babhekane nathi, and asifuni nilimali, sifuna nithi nilwa impi yenu sibe silwa ngendlela ezoba correct. Naye lo phethe icase yethu manje obejaji icase yethu abone ukuthi singabantu abalalelayo, uma kuthiwa ayibambeni iyabambela. Niyabona ama-comrade, niyabona ama-comrade. So ke ama-comrade ilapho-ke bengithi nje asibambe manje any issue engaba khona ama-comrade sisekhona 24 futhi sila. You understand? 24 April sila futhi. So okubalekile manje ukuthi asilalele inkantolo kubonakala ukuthi siyacomply ngoba siyayidinga. Asifuni ukuthi siqoshwe masithi siyahamba kuthiwa you were given i-order. Angithi yabo bese siba against the law. Ngayibamba ke imibuzo embalwa ke bese seva. Awubambe bambe buya ngapha bafu. Yawaza futhi. Woza sondela ngapha bafu. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 4. Yawaza. Amanda. Yeah,
ngiyayibona lento lebayishoyo le, mara what about ukuthi njengoba besolo sila mina ngishoko bekufuna ngabe ngenile izolo namuhla angeke kube basi victimize la phakathi na
no phela lento isemthethweni manje. Angithi sibuye enkantolo, i-order yenkantolo sicomply kwi-order yenkantolo ebekade applyelwe ukuthi sibe se-strike.
I-order ishilo mara lapha sisebenza nama-foreman everything and singa victimizwa i-management mara kube ngila ma-foreman phakathi sisenza njani sidilana nayo kanjani.
Hayi siyareporta-ke lapho ba uma uyibona nje ukuthi you are victimized by i-situation efana nale either nganoma yini siyayithatha-ke sesiyayireporta ngoba kuyacaca ukuthi bona they are against, and the court kufanele masifika mhla ka-9 sibanikeza ama-cases asenzakele ngaphakathi ukuthi nanka ama-cases since thina sihlonipha inkantolo ukuthi sibuyele emsebenzini siya-victimizwa sekwenzeke kanje kwenzeka kanje.
Ngireport yonke into kodwa.
Okay, siyenza lapho oza ngapha mngane wami ukuthi yakho.
Only one thing. What about the AOPs running on top our heads from yesterday until today? There is some people are going to make a
no work to pay, no work, no pay.
And I can't go to the job now just because I'm on the strike tonight.
Even the bonus as I told you, none of I told you, I told.
But on that one, let's be honest. When you're on strike
now, we are tired. We are already tired. And you just look for a time now. It's already 1:15. So what are we going to do now for the AWOPs? You said we must dispatch. Yes, I agree on you. What about the AWOP? For us, who are going to attend? Papa the AWOP, ama AWOP la wayizolo ilawa besikhona bazi ukuthi sikwatile. Ya today food ile ukuthi there is a report coming up from the fly like a helicopter to say that guys let us dispatch and everybody he must go to the job wherever is in night shift for one. 1:15 now. Now it's 1:15. What are we going to do about that? Just because we are already tired from yesterday. And our body are so very, very lump. What are we going to do?
All right, kulungile mfowethu, asithathe umoya siyophendula.
Zobuya kulelo.
Yeah.
Commander, mornings.
Morning.
Nna ne ke botsa ke kopa go tswa mo pele. A ke na le ntse le tona ba golo. Ne ke botsa ka ya batho ba letseng ba dujuwe izolo ngama rubber bullet. Mu advocate ka shonga next ngapha.
Siyophendula futhi le. Khulunyiwe ngalezo zinto. Yabafu.
Ada ole buye khanya sa.
Yes. Okay. All right. Yafethu.
Mina ngicela ukubuza ukuthi lesingena lapha asosayina lutho.
Bathi bamqashwa yithi.
All right. Yafethu. Ngizenzela ukuphendula ke manje.
Ka ore rena ya no be tlamile re kene mo sefanda ka ke re bereka day shift. So ka sane ra night. So re ka re tsena mo le ra fitela di parade ba sa di ntsha mo le because of management issue. Go tla bo se teng. So re batla o itse re ke ma motho le o tlamile re molati if re kopana le crisis yo ka re ba ka nna ba gana re tsena ka mo.
Amanda, Bishop that is the 24.
Okay.
Lobula, yeah, CCMA. We will apply la, section 64. So that is never really apply 24. What's gonna happen in that section? How long is gonna take if you apply section 64?
Sa apply la strike futhi, all right.
Okay. Asiphenduleni ke ma comrade.
So, if some of us will be able to report to work, but to release the allowance to Jaruna or Fanjora today, because we can report it in
Okay. Lalela bafowethu asiqaleni ke siphendule. Angiqale la. Bafowethu kulaba abaphuzile. Ngendlela ukuthi bebengazi ukuthi uzothathwa iphi decision. To me bengizothi sami sofuna incwadi kaDokotela.
Manje nayi.
No, a problem nayi lo.
Na i-drone.
I-drone nayi.
Okay.
I use my voice and
Mara bababonile.
No. Phela ngithi okay fine.
Sorry, Nyana Vicky.
We are trying to find
Solution, guys.
Lebantu bafowethu
Le guy bagolo. Ke a itse gore ke some of topic e leng gore e ka re tlhokanisa. But to start with